in the Sacred Heart of Jesus, the ever-loved. Welcome to the 74th commencement exercises of St. Alphonsus Catholic School, Senior High School. Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates for graduation headed by Parame Maria Isa Daniela and Erika. Education Program Specialist for Schools Management Monitoring, and Dr. Marlon S. Anales. The daughters of Our Lady of the Sacred Heart Sisters and the Board of Trustees. Please rise for the entrance of colors.
Our esteemed school directress, Sister Emma Benedicta, Alvin at the NSC, our high school principal, Sister Marjorie Dinanaga at the NSC, Polish sisters, our senior high school assistant principal, Mrs. Elisa S. Arias Gallo, our junior high school assistant principal, Mr. Elgin Joseph G. Lozano, school administrators, faculty, non-teaching personnel, parents, SACS alumni, honorable guests, friends, and fellow graduates. A pleasant evening to all of you. Amen. As we gather here today in these momentous events of our lives, we are filled with a mix of emotions, pride, nostalgia, and excitement. It is my honor to welcome you all to this special day, the culmination of high school years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. To the graduating class of 2024, congratulations to us.
Dr. Raymond Bedros, I have the honor to present to you 182 candidates for graduation from the senior high school program. 87 boys and 95 girls. All the candidates presented for graduation have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for senior high school program. I respectfully request that they be accepted and confirmed graduates of secondary education and that they will be eligible for promotion to the next higher level, which is tertiary education.
Good evening, everyone. By virtue of the authority delegated to me by our school's division superintendent of DepEd Division of Lapu-Lapu City, Dr. Maribel Isandales, and with the facts and figures presented to me by your school directress of St. Alfonso's Catholic School, that these candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements as prescribed by the DepEd or Department of Education under the senior high school program. I hereby accept and confirm your graduation. You can now be called the graduates of 2024. And as such, you are eligible for transfer and admission to the next grade level, higher level, which is the first year college to any public and private higher education institutions under the Commission on Higher Education. Congratulations, graduates.
Thank you very much to our hosts. Allow me first to acknowledge our very important personnel of St. Alfonso's Catholic School managing this very prestigious school. We have with us Sister Emma Benedicta, FDNSC, the school directors.
Recipient, Acting of the Year Award in Badminton, Loyalty Award. Kanyete Zidane Chikan.
At this point, we will award the recipients of the Alfonsian Generation Award. The Alfonsian Generation Awardees. Congratulations. Listen to Maria Isa Daniela Parame as she gives her words of gratitude.
Isa.
Sister Emma Benedicta L. Linda, raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Please raise your right hand. I, after having been duly admitted, member of St. Alphonsus Catholic School Alumni Association, do hereby solemnly swear that I will promote and uphold Christian faith.
My batch 2024 are President Erica Amor Uwano, Vice President Alea Aisha Amore, Secretary Eliza Gay Casquejo,
I repeat after me. I, the hereby solemnly
the composers of these songs, John Melvin Baracan, Andrea Lorraine Costa, Bel Martin Lapacon, Alan Paul Otte, and Anika Pauline Palay for composing the song entitled A Gentle Leap of Time, and the Princess Pauline Beltran, Dayland Vince Carol Ventura, Carol Emmanuel Butuhan, the graduates in their graduation songs. thanks and appreciation to the administration, teachers, staffs, parents, guardians, alumni, and students who in one way or another have made this momentous event memorable. That in all things, God may be glorified. Congratulations.